candle here represents a 5-minute period. The body of the candle is the start and finish of the 5 minutes. The little wick at the top or the tailor shadow at the bottom, it just says price traveled there, but it didn't stay. So it's a historical representation of what happened. Okay, obviously if it's green, market went up. If it's red, the price of the market went down. James, this stinker's just head faking us right now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Sheesh.
Yeah.
Okay. And it's making me tempted to go ahead and take the buy so you guys can see something to take profit, but you're seeing us stick to our trading rules. I want to look for a sell. Now I'm going to skip ahead on something just so I can get a little bit of a quick look at this, guys. This is just trade experience right here going, okay, let me look at a quick little longer trend and see if in fact this really was just a breath and it is going to start moving back into its buying. Oh my goodness. Yes. Look at that long-term buy in there, Justin. I mean, 60-minute chart, majors crossing, 2-hour crossing. Okay, guys, I'll tell you what, I'm already from this. Let's do this. All right, we're going to go back to this one. Now, Kat, how long did that just take me?
Like 30 seconds.
If that, right?
Yeah.
So I went to a longer term to see what was happening. And then I was trying to see if my shorter term was going to give me a little sell off. But goodness, this guy's buying, guys. So here we go. I'm just going to look into this. Let me move all of our faces for a second. There we go. Let's get in here. All right. And then we just look for that buy opportunity. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to look and see if my candles get closer here to the pressure. If they do and they bounce back up, there's our buy. And that's how this works. Now, when I was new, this took me 10, 15 minutes to analyze. Justin, right? Where you're like, okay, this one.
I think my biggest part was one of my insecurities when I first started was, when do I hit the buy button and when do I hit the sell button? Because I feel like I was eager to rush, and it's funny is because Zach had to keep reminding me, you're not following the rules. Follow the rules, and the trade will come. And so, once you just adhere to the rules that are given to you, it's really easy.
Yeah, if you're
it really is that simple. It really is as simple as following the rules. Like that's crucial.
Yeah, and Kat, here's what's holding us back. These majors are holding us back. A candle is gonna lie to you, you guys. A candle is gonna lie. It's just a historical representation. When the market's not moving much, these candles get big and they're hardly moving in terms of what we call pips. So we're there. We want to see an opportunity, but we got to let this guy play out. I want you guys to hear this. If some of you have traded before, we have short-term traders. We call them scalpers, 3 to 5 pips. We have mid-term traders, which I really like to do. Those are people that use 1 hour or 2 hour charts and go for 10 pips, let it run. We have long-term guys. I got a guy that I already saw what he did this, about an hour ago. He's doing an overnight trade for 20 pips on a currency pair. And we have strategies for all of that with all of this. Guys, look, it's so close. Okay. The post didn't give it to us again, but you guys, I think I'm going to take this. I think I like what I see in here. I really want the majors to commit, and they're not. Okay. So I'm going to take a little bit of a risk in getting in a little bit early, but I think I like what I see enough for you guys to at least see the market move on this. So let's hit it. We're going to hit sell right now. I'm in. Okay. Now on this yellow dotted line is my entry. This green dotted line is going to be my exit. Okay. If I win this trade, what am I doing? I'm doing about 60. I'm going to make 70. Okay. If I lose this trade, it's 70 for about 140, 150 bucks. It's a 2 to 1. Oh, it's looking good. Now, guys, look. Okay, look at them getting into the lane. Now, if I'm trading at 70 or $80 a pip, I'm telling you right now, I'm waiting for these 3 minutes up here on the 5-minute chart to post, because can you see how my majors just committed into the lane? That wasn't hard, right? It was just got to sit on my hands, wait for the rule.
And the 66 on there, that's your earnings.
Yeah, I'm up 66 bucks. I'm up 66 bucks. Okay, looking good. Green's here. By the way, 10-minute and 5-minute, as good or better on the majors. Pretty good. Look at my